In this video, you are going to see how to make the 3D text effect in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to the insert, go to shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this. And let me write here 3D text, select it, go to home, change the font to Writers, make it 120 point, make it bold, increase the text box size, place it over here and make it center alignment. Now select the text box, go to shape format, go to over here under the text fill option, go to the text fill and outline, click on gradient outline and you can choose your desired gradient from here very easily. You can add the stops and you can apply the color of your choice. Select the stops and select the color of your choice and you can adjust it like this. This is perfect for me. Now go to over here the text effect, go to reflection and select this one, half reflection 4-point offset. Go to the 3D rotation, go to preset and select this one, perspective relaxed moderately. Now go to the 3D format, go to depth and choose your desired color from here and change the size to 30 point and go to contour and choose the black color and increase the size to 3 points, or you can choose it to 2 points. And here you will see this is looking very beautiful. You can remove the border, go to shape format, go to text outline, select it, go to shape format, go to shape outline and make it no outline, and this is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.